Hello students, wish you a very good morning to all of you. Now here I am a math teacher going to start our today's math lesson. As you know that we are studying fraction. What is fraction, how to make a fractional number, what are the elements of a fraction, the types of fraction, these all facts about fraction I have explained. So I hope that our discussion was apprehensible for you. You have understood. You have gathered enough information about fraction. Now today we are going to learn how to write down the name of a fractional number. Okay, using letters, using words, we can represent the name of a fraction. Okay, let's understand this by solving the exercise 7b. 7b1 heading is write the fraction for each of the following. You can see the name of fraction being written here: 1/5, 5/8. These are the names. Using words, using letters, we can represent any number. So the first name 1/5, that means 1/5. This is the fractional number. 1 is numerator, 5 is denominator. First word 1, that is numerator. Fifth, that means 5, that will be denominator. So if you split this name, then you can get two things. First one is numerator, that one, and this one is denominator. So 1, write 1 as numerator, 5 as denominator. You know that the number on the bottom is called denominator, so 5 is denominator, number on the top is numerator. So how to write the fractional number? I hope that you understood. Now let's solve B. 9/10. This is the number. This is the name of a fraction. As I told you that 9, the first word, that will be numerator. 10th, that will be denominator. So 9/10, that is the fractional number. You can see th, this extra th is added at the end of denominator. So remember, while representing any fractional number in words form, we need to add th at the end of denominator. In most of the cases, that is applicable. Okay, so th add karna hoga. When you are writing the name of a fraction, then you need to add extra th, these two letters at the end of the denominator. So 10th, okay, 9/10, that is the name. Next, C, 2/3. You can easily guess the fractional number will be 2/3. Sorry, 2/3, 2/3. Okay, so just write 2 and then the line, horizontal line, below the line write 3. So 2/3, that is the fractional number. You can see RD, 3 is the number. 3 is the number, but here we are representing the denominator as third. Okay, you know the third, we use third. So 2/3, that is the name, and the fractional number is 2/3. While representing any number in which 3 is present, if 3 is present as denominator, then we need to use the term third. Okay, suppose a fractional number that is 1/3. So 1/3, we can't say that 1/3. Okay, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, or we can write 1/3 as the name of fractional number, 1/3. Okay, next D, 5 8. You can see extra th is added at the end. So 5, that will be numerator, and denominator, yes, that will be 8. So 5/8, that is the fractional number. 3/4. By splitting this name, we can get 3 as numerator, 4 as denominator. It is also known as 3/4. So the first word that representing numerator, and the second word after hyphen, in between these two words a hyphen is there. After the hyphen, on the right of the hyphen, that will be denominator. Okay, so this is the rule by which we can get the fractional number from the names. 1/3, here you can see the name 1/3, that will be the fractional number. So these are the names. So we can represent a fractional number using words, okay, and that will be the name. Using digits, the fraction. Using numerals, we can also represent a fraction. Using words, we can represent the fractional number in both the ways, either using words or using digits. Now 4/10, we can't write 4/10. Okay, 4, that is the numerator, 10th, so just write 10 as denominator. So 4/10, 4/10. 2/10, 2 is numerator, 10 is denominator. So I hope that you have gathered enough information that how to write the name of a fraction and how to get the fractional number from the names. Now move on to next page. The heading is write the name for each fraction. So here the fractional number, you can see the numbers. For all this number, we need to write down the name. Okay, so how to write down the name? Using letters, using words, we can write down the name of a fraction. Look at the first one, 2a. 1/4, that is the fractional number. Now convert this fractional number into names. So using words, we can write down the name. 1/4, 1, that is the numerator, then give a hyphen, and then you can write the denominator, 4th, 1/4, that is the name. Next B, 2/7, 2 is numerator, 7 is denominator. 2, write 2, 7th, using words. So the first word, that will be numerator, 2, and then 7th, add th at the end of 7. As I told you that when we represent any fractional number using words, using the name of fraction, we need to add extra th at the end of denominator. In most of the cases, not all these cases, some exceptions are also there, like third, we can't add 3 and then th. Fifth, so these are the exceptions. Okay, now next C, 3/8. 3/8, that is the fractional number. If we represent this fractional number, then we get two words, 3/8, add extra th after 8. Next D, 2/3, 2/3. So 2/3, that means 2/3. The name will be 2/3, 2/3. So first numerator, and then denominator. पहले तुम्हें न्यूमरेटर लिखना होगा. What is the numerator? 2 is numerator. So write 2 using letters and then make a hyphen. Write denominator, add extra th. Okay. My pen is disturbing. My pen is making disturbance. For that I'm extremely sorry. Now E, 4/7. So write 4, A for you are using letters, then write 7th, extra th that should be added at the end of 7. 2/10, next one 2/10, उसके बाद 3/5, that means 3/5. So here we can't write 5th, A5th, that will be the wrong spelling. 5th, that is the appropriate word. 5th, that means 5th. When we tell the day of a month, like 5th August, 15th August, no? So 5th, this term we usually use, not 5th. Okay. Now age, 6/10, 6/10, just write 6 and then 10th, the denominator. Here the denominator is 10, 6 is numerator. First write numerator in what? SIX, then 10th. Okay, now you can